Ka Sorkar Jylla ka lakhot ya baro ki seng san hima man ta kasngi ban Khmih ga Jinglong Jingman ha ka Jylla kerpang hadien ga Jingjia syasiat ha ka shnong mukro ha ka ba ka Jinglong Jingman ha ka Jylla ka ladon ha ka Jingshong sir hadien ka Jingya ki jong ki seng bhalang ha ka ni ka Jingya lang lawan ban yashim benta da jan baro ki seng san hima Habaya kran bekinong thok kubor hadien ka Jinglong umentri rang ba ukon rat ke sangma ula ai khuble ya baro kinong yalam jong ki seng san hima ki belawan shim benta ha ka ni ka Jinglong barula ong baki mat ya kran jong ka ni ka Jinglong kalong ban yeslok bat baro ki seng san perthei halor ki jingjia ki blaja ha ka ni ka tayo bela dep bat iki sen jam ba pher ba ka Sorkar Jylla kala shim ula benrap ru bala shai ka sngi ka kinhun menteri kan shim ya ka rai ba khatdo halor ki benta ba pher ki ba onbu Yaki BOP berka Sorkar kan sabu yaki BOP hakini ki jaka badon ke jingya kajia barkan penti kenaru ban penbiang pura yaki nongtre ki jingte baria baro ki jingdon kam hakaju kapor la pelat no yaka mobile internet hene kesngi ha baro nyotli ki district jongka Jylla.
In this regard,
see the entire thought process of resolving the border issue has been because of these atrocities and because of the fact that people living in the border areas have been suffering and a lot of atrocities have taken place. And that's the reason why we felt and we realized that the border solution is the only way to make sure that this is put at a stop once and for all. And hence very aggressively we started doing this exercise and moving forward. And while we did that, the Assam government and the Meghalaya government have been closely coordinating to ensure that any kind of small tensions that come up should be resolved quickly and it should not be allowed to escalate into any level.